In this video, I will show you how to turn daylights on and off on most of Fiat vehicles from 2010 to 2016. So to begin with, we're gonna turn the ignition on. Now on the left side there is a menu key. We're gonna press to access a car's menu. Now with the plus and the minus key you will navigate to daylights option. And with the key menu we're gonna enter it and just navigate from on to off with plus key. Then press menu key again to accept chosen option depending on if you want your daytime lights to be on or off.